Hello, artisans. Welcome back to this channel. This is Rochelle Rosenberg. In this video, I will show you a slow motion of my recent drawings and paintings. Here you will see my several masterpieces, so while you watch this process, I would like to share something with you. I received compliments a lot. Wow, you are so talented. I wish I could draw like you. Honestly, it breaks my heart to hear that word, talented. And I wish I could respond in a better way. And more often, this one I hear a lot. I cannot even draw a circle, and I usually draw humans like stick. However, I've never known how talent works. I just know that drawing or singing is something you can learn to achieve through practice. I don't know what makes you think why you cannot draw or what discourages you that you cannot acquire these skills. Maybe you have heard someone say negative things to you and simply you just believed it. And maybe you didn't draw because you think you're not talented enough. So you didn't take a step to draw. You might be afraid of the negative response from other people. For whatever reason, I would like to inspire you with my insights, and maybe you can check out my past recordings about art. Maybe you can learn something from them. I drew a lot when I was a child. I've heard negative comments, but I just kept on drawing. So when I became a teenager, I stopped, and when I came back to it 5 years later, the process of my drawing seemed to be improved. I believed it was because it had been there sleeping. And suddenly when I returned, it was like a dusty old learning that came to be awakened. Every process of learning can be very inspiring or tiring to some. Many of you might want to achieve things all at once. But time is so crucial because in terms of process, you must have to put your time to practice and observe the details to learn. It takes patience to acquire the new techniques. Repeat and repeat and do mistakes sometimes and then repeat again. Skills are attained through practice and self-study. It is a self-discipline. If you would start to sit down and grab your pencil and the paper and disregard all the negative things that discouraged you, I believe you will destroy the barrier that stops you from becoming a skilled person. Learning for some can be slow and others can be fast. And no matter how long it takes, everyone can find their passion and practice. It is a time of dedication, patience, to learn from all the mistakes, and the eagerness to learn and discover the new techniques from the world and from what we perceive. Let me tell you, try to observe your surroundings and nature. Maybe there are things from there that give you insights so you can discover your skills too. So why not try to draw today? Why not start now? I hope that my heart has shared something essential for you to think about. And I hope today you will start to draw or pursue the things you love to do. So